Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how you can download Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero on your Android phone. So you are going to go to your default browser. For mine, I use Chrome. And then you are going to type in stream on your browser. You are going to click on this first link that you find here. Then you are going to scroll up to where you'll find a search bar. Okay, mine is here. And just type in Dragon Ball. You can see it here, so I'm going to click on it. As you can see here, there are many versions of this game, so you need to choose one that is to your best preference. So all you need to do is to press add on chat, and you'll have already downloaded the game. So if you found this content useful, consider subscribing and tell me whether in the comment section whether it has worked for you.